I'm going to show you 2 different recipes on how to do slime. The first one we're going to do is clear. So what you're going to need is, sorry, I just have my phone. So I already filled up, this is supposed to be warm, I already filled it up. It's a 1/2 cup of warm water. You're going to put it in a separate bowl with a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You're just going to let that dissolve. In another bowl, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of white glue, or clear glue. You're going to put it in a separate bowl. Okay. Then you are going to You're going to stir the baking soda in the water. Just make sure it's completely dissolved. And you're going to gently add that into the glue. Okay. Just make sure it's, completely stirred. And then once it's stirred, you can add in whatever. You don't have to add in glitter. You don't have to add in like any specific thing, but I'm just going to add in a little bit of glitter. And it could be as much as you want. But if you add more to it, it might stick on other stuff. So just be, hesitant with the amount of glitter that you put in. And then just stir that. And then when that's completely stirred, well done, you're just going to add a tablespoon, of contact solution. You just have to make sure that there's boracic acid in it, otherwise it's not going to stick. Add that to it. And then you're just going to start mixing. At this point, it's going to start sticking together. You want to stir it fast. And if you need to add more contact solution, you can. Just the more contact solution you add to it, the more it might start to fall apart. So the whole thing with this is you have to knead it. The more you knead it, the better it comes out. You can see it's starting to get sticky. And then once it's pretty much mixed in with the spoon, you want to start kneading it with your hands. So before you do that, just put some of the contact solution on your hands, and that way it doesn't really stick. It will stick to you, but it's not going to stick to you as much. It might take a few minutes for it to actually become a consistency. So, be patient. And so you can kind of see it's still kind of sticky. So at that point I would add a little bit more. Keep working it. Should be getting there. And then, for the most part, you could add more contact solution, but I think you guys get it. So at that point, it should be good. I wouldn't put it on any paper. Be careful, clothes, it might stick to it. But have fun.